Here's a real simple meal that I like to make. So all you got is cauliflower, you got mushrooms, you got peppers, and then that's it. Basically, as far as what I saute those three, and then you can use olive oil if you want. You could use just water or whatever you use. Just be careful on what oils you use. You can just use water, to be honest. So cilantro is the topping, and then I put salsa. I make my own salsa, right? Very simple, but oh, avocado as well. And then the shells or tortillas or whatever you want to call them. It's from that brand. It's called Siete. It's like Siete. They only have like a few ingredients in the tortilla. So I typically make a lot of these very simple, easy meals that's filling and got a lot of flavor. Now, I know it's hard when you're going through eczema because, I'll give you an example. If you go out to eat at a lot of places, you don't know what oil they're using, right? You don't know all you don't know what they're using. And then a lot of times that could be slowing you down with getting your skin right. All right. So just be very mindful of every meal you eat, everything you drink, because technically this is just a meal. This isn't for detoxing. This isn't for cleansing. This isn't, my skin is not going to get better if I'm necessarily eating this. So right now I'm not dealing with any eczema, but this is what I want you guys to really consider. Everything you put in your mouth, your body is, it's either having an effect on your skin or it's not. So just be very mindful of that. I know we all like to go out to eat. We like to eat with family, friends, and but when we really going through eczema, we got to be very careful on the foods that we eat. After, my whole ordeal with eczema is the reason why I do majority, not all the time, but majority of, I just make my own meals. Like I just prep my own stuff. And when I was dealing with eczema, after I realized a lot of issues was, with food related, and I I pretty much just stopped eating out. I really got strict on eating out at certain places. Every once in a while, you want to go out and eat. You want to have a social life, but it's kind of hard when you really going through the skin issues because you got to be very careful on what you eat. Well, there's some people who say no, you can eat any food you want to eat and this and that. And in my experience, I don't feel that's the case. In order to get the skin back 100% normal, you have to consistently be cleansing. And it could be one thing that, sets you back. So just take it easy on yourself. Just take it one day at a time and just keep working on cleansing. And you'll be one step closer. Like I say, this here is just food. This is just a meal. It's a healthy meal, of course, but it's not a cleanser. I'm not detoxing eating this every day. Take example, you see all the videos I post with watermelon. Watermelon, you could be cleansing and detoxing eating watermelon all day long. I can't eat this meal right here all day long. You see what I'm saying? So we got to really focus on cleansing. Like I said, we have our liver, kidneys, blood, the colon, the spleen. You have your heart. You have the lymphatic system, your blood. The body is a machine. We have so much that's going on that we have to consistently work on. And it's so much stuff that's out here that's, from the water to the air to, the stuff that we put on our skin. It's so much stuff that's, not good for us. So we have to consistently be cleansing and cleansing as much as we possibly can. One, cleanse every month or something like that. It's most people can't do that, So you just have to take a lot of small steps on working on cleansing. Like for me, I did a lot of, fruits, a lot of vegetables, a lot of teas. You see all the fresh juices I make. Some days I don't eat any food. I'll just do water. Some days I'll just do fruit. Um, so yeah, it's pretty much so much that we have to do if we want to consistently get our skin clear. And I feel that's the reason why I'm able to pretty much completely get rid of eczema is all the cleansing that I consistently was doing, and it just was getting better. It didn't happen overnight. It just got better over time and kept getting better. My complexion started to come back, and the itchiness, everything just started to slowly go away as I consistently cleansed and worked on my entire body. All right, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hopefully this helps you get closer. I'm always here. Take it from someone who had the worst eczema, and today I have absolutely no issues whatsoever. So that's what we're here to do. We're here to help anyone out there that's still dealing with it. All right, you guys take care.